kids and creative parents. So today, our project is going to be something very simple. Here is my little tassel bookmark. I'm going to show you how to make these. All right. So what you're going to need is yarn or string, and there's all kinds of really cool string. I can't think of what is the needlework packages of string. Those work really well, probably even better than what I'm using. I just like these colors, and so I'm using it, but those are even better to use. But if you don't and you just have regular old string, you can use that too, or yarn. So yarn, paper clip, and some scissors. So here's what we're going to do. Now, I did not do this. I did it the hardest way possible, so that's why I'm going to tell you not to do that. Get yourself just a little squib of cardboard, something, and that way you could just keep rounding it. Just keep going till it gets a little filled up. And, you know, the more you do this, obviously, the fuller your tassel's going to be. Now, and that is totally up to you. You don't have to have a huge tassel. So there. I'm going to be okay with about there. Okay. Cut that off. And here's the thing I'm going to tell you to do that I didn't do right away. Go ahead and let's see. Cut here, cut the whole bundle, because this is literally going to be our width, the whole, there we go, cut and cut. So, you see that? Then we're going to, in order to keep the bundle together, I'm going to go ahead and, so I can tell this one's going to be a little shorter. Try to get it in the center, if you can see that. If you don't, right away, do that. And I'm going to go ahead and knot it. Okay. So there you go. You can tell they're not all the same just yet. You're going to poke that whole bundle through there and try to get it right where you tied it together. Let's see, just like that. Now, I would not suggest that you use this bookmark to actually pin down a page, because I think that'll, possibly tear your page. It's just to lay in. But go the opposite side of where you would actually use the paper clip. And then have yourself a cut piece. And this is where you're just going to pin it down and then tie a knot. So you have like a little head, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Now, if you look at any of the tutorials for making a tassel, it's going to have a little bit different steps than what I just showed you, because they're not using a paper clip. So here's what we're going to do. At the end, we're going to clip down the bundle. I actually like the wild mane. On the other ones, they tell you to like comb it down. I like this. Sticking out of a book, you're not going to miss that, right? For the other uses of tassels that's going on, if you just want to like put it on your child's key ring or anything so that they can have a visual cue to help them keep up with something, you might want to do a little longer strands. Just make your little cardboard bigger, and then you'll get yourself a bigger little tassel. All right, or a longer tassel so that it hangs out and it's more noticeable. So there's how you do that. It's not hard, and the kids, it's kind of fun to do. All right, so should I say you can use these to mark your book in your textbooks or whatever it is you're using, or hopefully you're reading fun stories just for fun. Okay, so you can use it for that. So there you go, guys. Enjoy making your tassel bookmarks. And again, we will see you in the library. You can find us on Facebook and YouTube. Have a good one.